Yo, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to be making my second pair of custom Air Forces, and these are going to be for the amazing Gianni and Kyle. I really hope you enjoy the video, and without further ado, let's just get started. For the colouring, I'm going to be using some crazy blue, yellow and orange Posca markers for this custom, because I'm pretty sure those are Gianni and Kyle's favourite colours.
She a money maker, real though. Type to snap, but she don't do pics though. Date her ass, but I'd marry them though. Drink Paul while she dance with.
And now that the base layer of the blue is done, it's time to start the doodles.
Said I'm in your playlist, that's crazy. Went from 7 rooms, 2 basements, to living in a loft with 7 rooms, no basement. Now that's crazy. I done seen the streets and now I'm turning down the main street. I've been so long I'm turning life into my main. I've been down so long I'm turning up until I'm faded. So being famous, she don't want no rich dick. Pay my bills though, she gon' get some rich dick. She ain't want for.
To be honest, I'm getting pretty bored of just colouring, so I'm gonna quickly get started with the inking.
Nah. Oh my god, what you like? What's your name, girl? I can save you. All my life I've been fly, had some flings, now I'm living single. Living single, living single. I've been with a lot of girls, now I'm living single. Living single, living single. I done gave a few the world, now I'm living single.
Yeah, we just playing around with this. Whoa.
The first side of the custom is all finished, and it's now time to move on to the second
Shit
side.
can get dangerous, yeah. Shit can get dangerous, yeah. You stand with that lame, yeah. Well, I'm staying with the game, yeah. Like, ooh, and they gon' stay by my side. Like, why don't you stay on your side? Like, ooh, girl, you always switching sides. Need to get out my life and go get a life. You just mad you my side, yeah. And that chopper my sidekick, yeah. And we stay solving crime, yeah, yeah. Cause you're next, and my ex, and she still sending like EXO. I ain't stupid, I don't play like no dummy, yeah. Get money, oh. Hey, cause I'm doing both. They probably thinking I sold my soul. When you come through, yeah, you better go slow. Better go slow, cause yeah, shit can get dangerous.
Alright, the custom is pretty much all done, and bruh, I'm so happy with the result. Thank you all for watching, and I really hope you enjoy the reveal.
Yeah, like, ooh, and they gon' stay by my side. Like, why don't you stay on your side? Like, ooh, girl, you always switching sides. Need to get out my life and go get a life.
I got the chopper in a Billy, that's a fast car. She a thotty riding sloppy like it's NASCAR. It's my clock, she didn't tell me she was evil. Get that money, then I throw it to my people. I was flipping packs, let the bells to the people. Face feeling funny on the Zans, gotta reload.